Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. As you can see, we've got a box sitting on the desk. I am sure that Andrew is very happy to finally see this on my desk. This is some stuff he sent for refining. I guess he may have even thought that it was never going to happen, but I have pretty much finally gotten caught up on things. I know a lot of you know, I'm not going to go into it again, what happened over the past year, and I was just way behind. But I have had this package forever. Andrew, I apologize for that. We did, talk in email, and he told me not to worry about it, but I still apologize because I have had this thing a long time. Generally, I try to do my refines in the order I receive them. That also includes refines that are not for videos. I did have a couple of those that were in line. They were actually ahead of this one. And I'm currently doing one, but I have enough, room that I can actually do these. I remembered he sent us some Mylars. I'm going to go through that with you, and he also sent us some more contacts to do. So let's see if we got, I don't recall, I think he said he was including the return shipping. I want to make sure it's not wrapped up in any of this paper, because I don't see it. Don't see it there, so, and it's not in the box. So let me see what we got going on here. Maybe it's in here. Yeah, it's in there. A lot of my customers, a lot of people I do this for, they will actually send the shipping for return so that they can retain as much of their metal as possible, which I do not blame them at all, because this is exactly why I do it. It's for the metal. It's not for the money. First thing I'm going to do is go through some of these Mylars with you. This is what's considered an open Mylar. I don't know exactly what this is off of. It's probably could be a stove, or it could be a microwave, or microwaves are usually smaller. But that is an open Mylar. And I'm going to go through right quick and show you the difference in some things. These, I think, are open. These have silver on them, but I think they also have some graphite on them. But I think we can do that one. These are laptop Mylars, and to the best of my understanding, laptop Mylars they're sealed. In other words, this is actually inside. Now, if you can separate them, I would imagine you could do them the same way as you can the regular Mylars. But from the best of my understanding, that silver is actually covered. And the way to do these is to actually burn them. So, and then process the ash. But, and there's only 2 of these here that I'm seeing, so there may be a couple more. But what we're going to do is we're going to go through all these Mylars. If there's any laptop ones, I'm going to pick them out. Because, like I said, these are a different process, and with only 2 or 3 of them, it's not worth doing. You're probably going to lose the silver and the ash because you're not going to recover that much. We're also going to do this. I have not done a video doing Mylars yet, so I'm going to show you the way I'm going to do these, and I'm actually going to cut them into smaller sections because we don't have enough of them that it's going to make a difference. I mean, even though this looks like a lot of Mylars, there may be an ounce or 2 of silver here. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly the yield on these, but I'm going to cut them so I can just dip them in a beaker, in some dilute nitric acid, so that we can remove the silver from this. X-rays, these Mylars, all that contains silver, and a lot of the stuff just gets trashed and thrown away. It's amazing how much silver every year is going in the dump. But I don't see, like I said, a lot of laptop ones. These are all good. These are all, you know, regular keyboard Mylars. I believe that is one too. A lot of times when you see this green, you know, that's an indicator that it's covered up. But so these look pretty good for the most part. The majority of them, if not all the rest of these, are okay to do. So I am going to just hang on to these and probably just send them back to him, because to burn 2 of them is just not worth the effort. If I'm going to try and see if I can separate them, sometimes you can. You can get, you know, if you can find where it starts at, you can actually get under these and peel them open, but it is very tedious and it takes a long time, and it's just easier to just throw them all in a pot and burn them. So we got this going on. Andrew, again, my apologies for taking a million years to get to your refine. You know what my situation was, though, and what was going on, and I still have, you know, house chores that I have to do and things. I've been residing the front of my house and you know, the little cubby hole area, and probably going to do the sides and the back as well. But I mean, there's always home chores to do besides doing this. So set that up there. Let's see what we got. I think we've got a little bit of jewelry he said he was sending along. Some scrap jewelry. And then we've got this little thing of contacts. And it's a tiny little bead of silver. So we're going to get down on this, guys. And go through this process. Like I said, I still have one refine going, but it's near the end. That's not for video, so we can go ahead and start this. And I actually have another one that just came in. That's a jewelry refine that's going to be kind of interesting. It's a silver jewelry refine. And then I have one more that's on the way. And then I should be clear, so if anybody's wanting to go ahead and send anything in, now would be the time to get stuff in and get it in line. Because I actually don't have, I don't have any non-video refines after this next one that I have to do. So I will be finally pretty much caught up. So anyway, I just wanted to touch base with you, Andrew. It's amazing, most of my customers and my people that send me stuff for refining, you would be amazed at how many Andrews and William. I know I say these names over and over, William and Andrew, but almost half of the people that I do refining for, that's their name. Their first name is William or Andrew. So, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get set up, get this out in the lab, get our beakers made up, and get this refine going. So guys, as always, we will see you in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video.